We're removing the front bumper on the Lexus IS200. There'll be two of these trim clips on either side of the grille, and they unlock with a crosshead screwdriver, and then you can use a bojo tool to pull them out. Now we've also got these same clips in this intake here, one on each side. Now in the wheel arches, you need access to a 10mm bolt that's pointing upwards behind this, so you need to remove this trim clip here, and one a little bit further up. Pull the wheel arch liner out of position enough to access the bolt pointing upwards there. Repeat on this side of the car and remove the bolt up here. Now underneath the front lip of the whole bumper, you've got 10mm screws to remove. There are 8 10mm screws to remove in total, 4 on each side of the car, starting at the corners just in front of the wheel arches. Now with the bolts underneath removed, the only thing attached to the bumper will be the fog light wiring. And then if you have headlight washers fitted, the pipes connected to the jets will need disconnecting on this side. So I'll disconnect the fog light wiring on this side as well. Now to disconnect the hose for the washer jets. Now you would normally need to block this, as it would be full of washer fluid, but I have already drained the washer fluid out. Now the bumper is completely detached from the vehicle.